Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the Beret Girl from Extremely Goofy Movie. From an Extremely Goofy Movie? I don't know the title, but for this one, I'm just going to use this hair here in the straight section in 57251B. Rotate the Z to 0.44 and scale to 0.52. Then I'm just going to grab these bangs here from this hair. This one in that same color, so in only bangs, no adjustments made. Then for the nose, I used the microphone here in this color, 2D241D. Position the X to 0.66, the Y to 0.55, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.63 and Y to 1. And then for the hat, we're obviously going to use the beret here in black. Just going to make some minor adjustments to it and kind of tilt it more on like the right side here, and I am just going to position it so it's like more to the front. Just going to scale it down a little bit. For the outfit, it's actually pretty simple. All you need is just all black outfit. So like these leggings here, if I can just click on it, and type 3 in black. Then grab this top in all black. Then you're just going to grab some black heels, and that's it. No VIP needed for this one. If I can just find the heels, oh, it's here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.